Hi guys, this is Anna from ana&yvy, and today I will show you another screencast kind of tutorial how I use the animated logo toolbox to create animated logos. So just wanted to show you how easy it is and how I create a logo without any idea at the beginning. So I just tried stuff out, tried different styles, tried different elements out and fonts, and yeah, just wanted to show you how my kind of workflow is when I use this tool. And yeah, you can use it too. So it's available on ana&yvy.shop, and there's also a test file where you can try out if this works for you. It's for Premiere Pro, by the way. And yeah, I hope you like this kind of tutorial walkthrough screencast thing. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. See you. Bye.